Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made as another monster movement occurred on this one. So first thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint where I said I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closes above, you want to see them act as support. So yes, $6.10 right around there is the level of support. But what I'm going to do here is actually adjust this level up and move it up to right here at $6.60 and call this what I would deem the ideal level of support, meaning ideally speaking, if the price can stay above 660 going forward, that would be best case scenario. With that being said, if the price falls below 660, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that, because as I've talked about in past videos, from the overarching standpoint, it's still all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, as next week plays out, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 660 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance going forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. There is that resistance trend line here that's shown up. So that represents the selling pressure that eventually showed up on the day. So keep an eye on that. But if the price can work its way back up there, get a good high volume break of there, then at that point, I don't see why, no such thing as a guarantee, but it'd be very likely for it to get up to $8 and above. But all in all, powerful week, huge volume. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.